Hello, everyone. I'm Father Scott Vanderveer, and today I am so happy to be here at the Warren County Department of Public Health with its director who goes to our church, Ginelle Jones. And Ginelle, thank you for taking time in the middle of what is such a busy time, the busiest time you've ever had in your career, to talk with me today. I just wanted to talk to you because as we're sitting down together, we've begun the first full week of a temporary mask mandate in New York State, where we are wearing masks in all public places between now and January 15th. And then at that time, the state will reevaluate where we stand with COVID, and then we'll make a determination about whether it will stop or if it needs to go on a bit longer. You have said that you support universal masking right now. Why do you support it, and why is this the right time for us to all wear masks indoors?
Well, my job is to keep people safe, and I feel that's the best way to keep people safe, by universal masking, whether you're vaccinated or not. We've seen a rise in our cases. In fact, Warren County has one of the worst case rates right now in New York State. And public health people and professionals and the people that work at my office would love to see everybody wearing masks to try to help control the spread of disease.
Beautiful. One of the things that people of faith know is the serenity prayer, which is, God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I can't change, give me courage to accept the things that I can, and give me wisdom to know the difference. And this is one of those cases that fits into that prayer so perfectly, because COVID it's a worldwide phenomenon. It's way beyond our ability to control in many ways. But there are some things that we can do to try to improve our situation as a society. What would you say is the way or the ways that we could bring this to as soon an end as is humanly possible? We can't control this. It's bigger than we are. But what could we do in our own lives to as much as is humanly possible, bring this to a conclusion faster?
Well, no new news. I am aiming for 100% of Warren County to be vaccinated. We have some really nice stickers about that. But with regard to that, I would ask everybody that's eligible to get vaccinated or get a booster. For people that might be on the fence, that don't feel comfortable about that recommendation, see your provider. You trust them, with other health conditions. They know your individual circumstances, so they can better provide that guidance specifically and individualized to you. And then I think wearing masks is very, very, very important, especially as we're getting into the holiday season, because anybody that might not know that they're sick or might not be spreading illness, we're all exposed. We've got a lot of community exposure here. So if you're wearing your mask and you're going to gatherings or you're going to church or you're going other places, by wearing your mask, you're helping cut that transmission.
It's good to know. Very good to know.
And then I also would like to put in the distancing and the hand washing, especially before eating, things like that. And perhaps as you're thinking of holiday gatherings or banquets or, whatever, just trying to look at safer ways to do it.
We are very proud that at St. Mary's we had our first Sunday of the universal mask mandate that's temporarily in effect. And we had 100% compliance. Everybody,
very awesome.
It was wonderful. It felt like we were really taking good care of each other. But I would be leaving out part of the story if I told you that everybody was happy about it. I know there were some people that expressed to me that they were very frustrated by being asked to wear a mask, and they were kind of maybe hopeful that the church would be civilly disobedient and not enforce it. So I'm wondering, I've talked with those people about the fact that they doubt that wearing a mask really makes a difference. They say it feels a little bit foolish to them. They don't see the value of it, and they resent being told what to do, especially in a democracy. We pride ourselves on being a free country, and this feels like an intrusion in their lives. How would you respond to their frustrations?
Well, first of all, just by trying to educate on the importance. We did see the flu cases go down last year with a baseline based on the success of wearing masks, is what we all kind of felt. I also think I don't like being told what to do either, but sometimes it's the love your neighbor, do for the good of the group, or for helping people that might not be able to be vaccinated, helping our grandparents, helping our friends and families that have comorbidities or high-risk factors. It just makes it that much safer. What I like about this mandate that the governor put down is that there's a stop. There's a stop to reevaluate, and I feel like for a month during the prevalence where everybody's indoors, having gatherings, practicing their holidays, celebrating their holidays, I just feel that 1 month isn't too much to ask to protect our friends and families.
That's a helpful perspective. Thank you.
And then from a selfish standpoint, maybe looking at our public health staff, just trying to cut down the number of cases. We know with the new variant, we're going to start seeing our numbers double and triple, and our staff are so tired. We're still here. We still have energy, excitement, enthusiasm, but you know, we're COVID tired like everybody else, but we've been here 7 days a week for this pandemic.
We're filming this on a Sunday, and this is not unusual at all. You and the staff are here 7 days a week. So thank you, Ginelle. Thank you for what you're doing for our community. Thank you for your commitment to your profession. It is clearly a calling, and we're so grateful that you answered that call. And thank you to all of you out there watching this, and for all of you who want to spread the word about the value of us taking care of one another in this way. And we thank all of you for being willing to take whatever risk of discomfort there is to come together as a faith community indoors during a hard time like this and doing whatever it takes to do it safely. It means so much to all of us that you are there. May peace be with you all.